Welcome to our Strings in Python video tutorial. I'm Ali, and this lesson will dive into the world of strings, one of the fundamental data types in Python. Let's begin by exploring the basics of working with strings in Python. Strings are created by enclosing text in single or double quotes. You can use either single or double quotes to define strings. They both work the same way. Python provides a wide range of operations to manipulate strings. Let's explore some common string operations. Here we concatenate strings, calculate the length of a string, and create a substring using slicing. Python offers a variety of built-in methods for string manipulation. Here are a few useful string methods. In this code, we change the case of a string, find a substring, and replace text within a string. String formatting allows you to create dynamic strings with placeholders. Let's see how string formatting works. With F strings, you can insert variables and expressions inside strings for dynamic content. Escape characters are used to include special characters in strings. Here are some common escape characters. Escape characters are useful when you need to include special characters like new lines and tabs in your strings. Python provides methods to check and format strings. Let's explore these methods. With these methods, you can check if a string starts or ends with a specific substring and remove leading and trailing whitespace. String slicing and indexing allow you to extract portions of a string. Let's see how slicing and indexing work. In this code, we access individual characters by index and extract parts of a string using slicing. String joining is used to concatenate multiple strings into one. Here's an example of string joining. In this code, we join a list of strings into a single string with spaces between them. In this tutorial, we've covered the fundamentals of working with strings in Python. Strings are incredibly versatile and essential for text processing and manipulation. With your newfound knowledge of strings, you're ready to tackle a wide range of string-related tasks in Python. For a comprehensive understanding and practice exercises, be sure to check out the related notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. You'll find the links in the description box. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.